Good morning, boys and girls. We are working on some sight words today. All right, let's look across the top in this little box up at the top, and let's look at the sight words we're going to be working on. The, am, at, go, can, to. All right, those are all sight words that you have at home in your bags that you should be practicing. So we're going to look at each set of boxes and we're going to decide what word needs to go in that box. We have to look at the shape of the letters, how tall they are, how short they are they above the line, below the line. All right, so make sure your name is at the top before you get started. Okay, they did the first one for us just as an example. So by number 1, they have the word at. The A is short, the T is tall. So let's trace the word at. A, T. And then we're going to write it on the dotted line. A is a short letter, T is a tall letter, and we cross it. All right, we've used the word at, so I'm going to mark it out. I don't need that one again. All right, let's go over to number 2. We're going to have 2 tall letters and a small letter. So when you look up at the sight words, there's only one of them that has 2 tall letters and then a short letter. It's the word the. So write T, H, E in the boxes, and then come down and write it on the line. T, H, E. The T and the H are tall, the E is small. The. And mark it out up at the top so you will know you have already used that word. All right, let's go to number 3. Put your finger on number 3. It's going to be a tall letter and then a small letter. 2 letters are in the word, tall and small. It can't be that one. There it is. 2. You got a tall letter and a small letter. So T, O. Then write it on the dotted line. T is tall, cross it in the middle. O, 2. Mark it off. This is not the number 2. This is 2 like, I'm going to the store. We want to eat. All right, let's check out the next word. By number 4, it has 2 letters. They're both short letters. All right, there it is. Am. A, M. And then write it on the line. Make sure they stay underneath the dotted line. A, M, am. I am thirsty. Am. By number 5, we have a sight word. It has 3 letters, 3 short letters. These are the only 2 choices. It has to be can because that has 3 letters in it and they are all small. C, A, N. Can. And then write it on your lines. C, A, N. Can. We can go outside. We have 1 sight word left by number 6. It's a long letter. It's going to have something hang down under the line and then a short letter. So that is go. It hangs down under the line and then a short letter. So G, and your hook goes down. O. Go. So when you write it, you curve it around and close your circle on the dotted line, come down under the line and make a hook. G-O. Go. All All right, let's read our words. By number 1, we have at. By number 2, the. Number 3, to. Number 4, am. Number 5, can. Number 6, go. Boys and girls, make sure you are practicing those sight words, all 3 sets that you have now, including your color words. Keep them all in a bag together. Take them out a couple of times each week and practice them. Then put them back in the bag so you do not lose them. We'll be working on them some more when you come back to school too. All right, have a great day.